Hello everybody, today is Wall Squat Wednesday. So y'all know what a wall squat is. You go, sit next to the wall and then do the wall squat and take a selfie. I know some of these are really hard to take selfies of, so if you live with anybody, have them snap a picture of you. It'll be easier. Today is also Wellness Wednesday, and I don't want to get into a ton of it here because I started to do some research, and it's very information heavy. But for Wellness Wednesdays, I really wanted to cover, to kind of unpack all the good stuff that's in Shakeology, because I know we talked about it, but there's just a ton of stuff in there. So I wanted to unpack it just once a week. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a blog and then I'll make sure I post it in this group for Wellness Wednesday. But today I wanted to talk about the superfoods and antioxidants, and just a brief overview. A superfood is a nutrient-rich food considered to be especially beneficial for health and well-being. So basically, it's a fruit or a food, or whatever, a fruit or food, superfood, that is particularly dense with nutrition. I know that's not great grammar, but does that make sense? So you could go eat white rice. That's not a superfood. There's very, very little nutrition in that for you. Or you can go eat kale, which is or broccoli, or blueberries, or goji berries, stuff like that, that is just packed full of tons of benefits covering a bunch of different nutritional areas. And then antioxidants are antioxidation. And so antioxidants are molecules that inhibit the oxidation of other molecules. And it's okay. Oxidation can produce free radicals. Free radicals can start chain reactions, and chain reactions can cause damage or death to the cell, cancer. So, obviously antioxidants don't cure cancer, or we would be in a much better world. But what they can do is help keep your cells healthy and discourage oxidation from happening. The thing is, you can't go overboard too much. Obviously, if you eat everything that is antioxidant rich for too long, then it can actually have the opposite effect. I think that's really hard to do, but you know what I mean? How when the kale fad started, and then a year later, people started releasing research saying, too much kale is actually bad for you. It's stuff like that. Everything in moderation and in balance. So those are just two of the things included in Shakeology. And that's why when people are like, oh, it's a protein shake, it's like, no, it's not. Or they're like, oh, it's a weight loss shake. It's like, it will help you lose weight, but it helps you lose weight because it helps your body run at its optimum, and it helps you maintain weight when you're at your body's healthy weight. So it's a health tonic. So some of the superfoods and antioxidants in Shakeology are camu, acerola cherry, I don't know how to say it, bilberry, goji berry, green tea, we all know green tea is good for us, luo hang guo. The guy in the commercial says luo hang gao. That's not how I don't know. It's Chinese. Pomegranate. I know, right? Pomegranate, rose hips, and vitamins A, C, and E. And there's the thing for the vitamins A, C, and E. It's not in a synthesized form, which you would normally see in a cheap vitamin that you could go buy at Walmart. These are vitamins A, C, not A, B, and C, A, C, and E found in their natural forms. So that your body actually absorbs them. So that's your little superfruit antioxidant lesson for Wellness Wednesday. I think it's important to learn in these groups and educate ourselves so that we can figure out how to move forward. And then when we have conversations, we can help our friends move forward too. So if you want to go do your own research and say, hey, I saw this, what about this? I have this question. Please, please, please ask me. Let's have this discussion. I am totally down to have this forum be here, even if it's something that challenges something that they said, superfoods. Apparently registered nutritionists and dietitians or whatever, they don't like using the term superfood because they're just food. We're calling them superfood. Like a lot of people call them superfoods to market them better. So there's that sort of thing. But they are just super high density nutrition. It's stupid, more than average. Anyway, that's your Wellness Wednesday lesson. I hope you guys are looking forward to the blog post. I'm looking forward to writing it, and I'm looking forward to your to you post your wall squat Wednesday pictures, and I'll try to make sure I post that too. All right, I'll talk to you all later. Bye.